All right, today we're going to bring a very powerful camera. This is a 4K camera. It comes with this wiper, if you guys can see it. So when it's outdoor and indoor graded, so we're going to use this indoor and outdoor. Of course, we're setting it up in a shop because we want to monitor our employees, and this is a perfect way to do it. Now, this is a perfect surveillance camera. It has AI built in the system itself. It has zoom in lens, and also you can capture to your existing recorders or add your own server or your own FTP to capture the stuff. Now, included with it, they give you the actual power connection in case you don't have POE over your network. You are going to require power. I'm going to set this one outdoor and see how strong and powerful it is and test it out. So let's go ahead and do that. We're actually capturing a dark area here, but it looks exactly like if the lights were all on. And I'm going to show you the camera right now. Beautiful, outstanding camera. You could capture dark mode, light mode, and it has a sensor where it actually triggers by AI by capturing human motion. All right, let's take a look at some of the features of the camera. The camera, you could control it on the right hand and it moves really quick. I mean, I'm just moving just slowly here, and of course, if you guys can see, it has the AI, so it kind of tracked the little figure here. So, and it kind of identifies it as something in there. So the zoom in button, look at this, look at the zoom in button, let's see the quality of it, and you can see some of the features on the actual statue that we have in the back. And I'm just zooming in some more, and you can see some of how incredible this camera is. And fine, this is in the night, all right, just to let you guys know. Look at the details of the actual the camera. And this guy is sitting like about, maybe I would say around 15 to 20 feet away, and you can see how far. And it kicks in the night mode, the light comes in, but it is just an incredible camera. And of course, the light comes in as soon as it figures that somebody's in the backyard or something. So anything that comes here in the side of it, it recognize it, and the camera is quick. This section could be minimized here too, and of course there's more features that we're going to go configuration, and this is where you actually do a lot more features here. You could turn off lights, you could turn on lights, you could set up the networks, advanced storage and system and information. This whole thing is set up to keep either indoors or outdoors, but it's mostly majority of the use is for outdoors, because it even has a little wiper, so you actually, if it starts raining, you could clean them out, and automatically it clean itself out too. Any kind of dust particles or anything, it's going to start using it too. Now here's some of the features you could turn off in here, and you could come back to the system and modify it however you like, especially the network. If you're going to set this up to actually save it a cloud or an existing DVR, this is where you come in. But we're going to go back to live, and this is when to test myself out. We're going to walk in front of the camera and see how well it works.